Hello, this is Naz from NBE Network Lessons. Welcome to all my calculus lovers. Welcome. Today's topic of discussion is Calculus 3, lesson number 7, and we're going to solve a problem with partial derivatives of a function which has two variables. Okay, we have, in the interest of time, I wrote this already on the board. You have a function g which has two variables, u and v, and this right here is the function. Now, by looking at this, calculus lovers, what do you think? What can we apply to solve this problem? Quotient rule. Okay. What is the quotient rule? Let's see what it is. But first thing, what you have to do is when you're taking partial derivative of a function with two variables, you have to you take variable of one and treat the other one as constant. And then you take the derivative of the second one and keep the first variable constant. So that's the key. That's the rule of thumb. Okay. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, if I take derivative with just respect of u, so g u subscript is equal to, what does quotient rule say? Quotient rule says what you have to do is you have to take the derivative of the top multiplied by bottom. Okay, so derivative of top multiplied by bottom. So derivative of top with respect to u, v is constant, so don't worry about that. So then you get 3u square multiplied by derivative of top multiplied by the bottom. So then multiplied by u square plus v square, all right, minus derivative of the bottom times the top. So derivative of the top, derivative of the bottom is just going to be v is a constant. So we're just going to treat that as a constant and the derivative is 0. So then you get 2u, all right? And then you have multiplied this by top, which is u cube plus v cube, the whole enchilada over. What do you have to do? You have to take square of the denominator. So u square plus v square, the whole thing square. So that's the rule, quotient rule. If you need to revise, please go back and check some of my lessons in calculus 2. In quotient rule, you take derivative of the top first multiplied by bottom, minus you take derivative of the bottom multiplied by top, and the whole enchilada is over u or denominator square, which in this case is this right here. Okay, so now if you simplify this, you will get, answer is, I'm not going to go through the steps, but you guys are smart enough to figure that out. So answer is u4 minus 2uv cube plus 3u square v square, the whole thing over u square plus v square over 2. Now we're not done yet. We took the derivative with respect to u, but you got to do the same exercise with respect to v. And I'm going to let you guys do it. Okay. But what I applied on this was two things. I applied partial derivative and then I applied quotient rule. T-I-E-N-T, quotient rule. Okay. So keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the contents, please share as much as you can. Till next time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.